Hi guys, today I'm going to take you through the classical Suryanamaskar. There are 12 steps to this. Recently, the Suryanamaskar has only been reduced to a form of cardio or a form of warm-up, but it is so much more than that. More than the physical workout in a way that it does give you, it energetically balances your system, and it is very important to focus on the breath as much as the movement. To begin, we'll start at the front of our mat in Tadasana. Feet are together. Keep that pelvic engaged. By the pelvic engaged, I mean that the tailbone needs to slightly thrust forward. Think that the tailbone wants to point downwards. Hands by the side, shoulders relaxed. Knees can have a soft bend to get that pelvic tuck in the first few times. Take your hands in Namaskar. We start here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, raise your hands up and slightly back bend. It's okay to bend the knees. Exhale completely down, both hands in line with the feet. Again, bent knees is completely okay. Inhale, right leg goes behind, steps back. You can drop the back knee. Exhale, both feet step back into a plank or Dvipada Prasaranasana. Completely exhale here. And slowly drop the knees, drop the chest, drop the forehead into SASTANG Namaskar. Push the butt up. We are trying to hold our breath out here. Inhale, lift the chest and head up to BHUJANGASANA. Back toes will sleep. Lift your hands up. Exhale, mountain, BUDARASANA. Make an A with your body, look downwards. Inhale, right leg wants to step forward in line with the palms again. Exhale, both feet will step forward, PADAHASTASANA. Inhale, up, pelvic tuck, slight back bend, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Tadasana, hands by the side. The same leg which starts, so if we're starting with the right will go back in the beginning and the right will come in front in the at the end. Once again, left leg. Starting with Namaskar, inhale and exhale. Inhale up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale completely down, hands by the side of your feet in line. Bent knees is okay. Inhale, left leg wants to step back. Step that left leg, drop the back knee. Look straight. Exhale, both legs step back into Dvipada Prasaran or plank. Completely exhale here and drop the knees, drop the thighs, drop the forehead. Push that butt up. Shashtang Namaskar. No breathing. We are holding the breath out. Inhale, raise your hood and head. Bhujangasana. Exhale, mountain. Make an A with your body. Inhale, left leg wants to step forward in line with the palms again. Drop the back knee. You can readjust here. Exhale, both feet will step forward. Padahastasana. Inhale, up, pelvic tuck, slight back bend. Exhale, Tadasana, hands by the side.